The very prestigious National PG College of Lucknow invited Softpro India's senior consultant, Sir Aniruddh R Srivastava, for a lecture on personal branding for their pre-placement week 2023. The speaker, Aniruddh R Srivastava, was presented a token of welcome by the very welcoming faculties of the college. The event was attended by students of several branches. Audience accommodated 1200 plus students of diverse background including psychology, business administration, commerce, computer application, science and other faculty members. The 2-hour guest lecture comprised not just of our consultant imparting his knowledge and expertise to the student, but also a very engaging and interactive Q&A session by the students, where the students participated actively in asking questions, which was answered by our consultant. The session talked about personal branding, personality development, how and why is it important for the students to build their own personal brand. Concluding with a great feedback, the guest lecture was successfully wrapped up with smiling faces of the students. Softpro India thanks the Training and Placement Cell of National PG and all the event coordinators for this successful event and bridging the bond between the college and Softpro India. Stay tuned for more placement events by Softpro India.